Soaring Voices Sampler is a 96 by 96 all batik kit from Northcott Fabrics. The collection used is Quilting Is My Voice, and that is by Scott Flanagan, and the collection is based off of him adjusting to being diagnosed with SD and having trouble speaking. Up first, we have a dark geometric fabric with reds and whites pattern overlay. Up next, we have a lighter version of the same fabric, but with white pattern over top. We have what I like to call the Star and Burst pattern in gray, and then followed up with a darker slate. And once again, we have the Starburst, and this is in a white, and another geometric pattern in a dark background with a gray overlay. Then a brown and black version of our triangle maze, gray and brown. This is almost a purpley blue with gray. And then a cream with a multicolor from purple to orange. This is more of a hexagonal pattern in gray. And then once again in a dark with a purple to red color. And then we have our triangles in white and gray. And our Starburst again in reds and oranges, and our square pattern in brown and black, and our Starburst in gray and white. And our rectangles in black and white.